How to buy or sell crypto on Binance P2P trading. To buy or sell crypto on Binance P2P trading, all you have to do is you can either open the Binance app, go to the wallets option from the bottom right. So if it is you want to buy, you can tap on buy and select P2P. If it is sell, you can withdraw and select P2P trading. But a shorter way would be to go to the trades option here, then simply go to the P2P option from the very top right hand side of the screen. Now here you can select buy and sell depending on what is it that you want to do. If it is you want to buy some kind of crypto via P2P, tap on the buy option, which is peer-to-peer trading. And once you tap on the buy option, you will be able to enter the amount and buy it. Similarly, you can come back and then you can go to the sell option instead and choose to sell any of the cryptocurrency that you prefer, and you'll also feed the amount that the payment method that they accept. This way you'll be able to buy or sell crypto on Binance P2P trading. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.